Hi everyone, it's April again and welcome back to my channel. Please click the subscribe button below and leave me any comments, questions, or research ideas in the comments section and I'll respond to all of them. Today I want to talk about cleaning your house, fast and easy. Oftentimes friends of mine have said that they find themselves running hither and yon through the house, cleaning part of this room and part of that room and doing some of this and some of that, but not ever actually completing the task. And so I thought, well, let's put together a plan, which actually comes from a maid service that I worked for years and years and years and years ago. And they had a system that they did, and I thought I would share it on YouTube for you guys that might need a little help getting organized in the way that you clean your house so that you get the most amount done in the least amount of time. And isn't that what we all want to do? So here we go. When you walk into a room, if you're left-handed, you start on the left-hand side of the room and you work from top to bottom, left to right, all the way around the room until you're back to the door. So you do everything in that order. You dust in that order, and you're going from top to bottom. So you want to dust everything and clean everything first and then clean the floor last, because you can just brush everything onto the floor and you're going to vacuum it up or sweep it up, or whichever type of flooring you have. And so do the floor last. So if you're right-handed, you walk into a room and you start at the right-hand side and you go from top to bottom and right to left all the way around the room till you're back at the door, and you're cleaning again from top to bottom. So it doesn't matter if you brush crumbs onto the floor, because the floor is going to be the last thing you're doing. And that will get everything done. You can actually do a very deep cleaning, like a spring cleaning or a fall cleaning, in record time, just by being organized enough to stay in one room until that room is done. And if you have items, say, in your living room that belong in your children's bedroom, instead of going and taking that item to your child's bedroom and then you get distracted and you start cleaning your child's bedroom, you just take that item and put it in their room, and when you get to their room, then you clean it up. So you're in the living room and you've got dishes that belong in the kitchen. You just take them and put them on the kitchen counter, because right now you're just cleaning the living room. So you do one room at a time, finish that room, right to left, top to bottom, all the way around, clean the floor, then go to the next room. So as you pick things up that are not where they belong, you put them in the room they belong in, and don't get distracted when you walk into that other room. Finish the room you started in. And that's my quick and easy way to clean. Clean starting at the door, right to left, top to bottom, all the way around the room. And don't get distracted when you pick up an item that belongs in a different room. Just go put it in that room and leave it there until you get to that room. Another way that helps if you are a working outside the home mom, because working inside the home is a job that is never ending. You don't ever get to clock out on that job. So it is work. But if you want to do your house so that you have more family time, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a work outside the home mom, you can pick a room per day. So Monday, when you get home from work, you do the kitchen. Tuesday, you get home from work, you do the bathrooms. Wednesday, you get home from work, you do the living room. Thursday, you do the den. Friday, you do the dining room. And by Saturday, your house is clean. And you don't have to spend your weekend where your husband is off from work and you can all spend the day together as a family. You don't have to worry about cleaning. You can do laundry all along. Of course you have your own organizational skills to do your own cleaning, but in the event you are one of those people like my stepdaughter, she just flies by the seat of her pants all the way through life. She needs a little bit of organizational help. Then this is what the video is about. So hopefully that will help. Do a load of laundry every day, and then you don't have a big pile to do on the weekend. And you can spend more time with your family when your spouse is not working. And they're at home too. And so that's the whole premise behind having a maid service come in and do it for you. But if you can't afford that, or you don't want to do that, you want to save that money, then that's the quick, easy way that maid services get in and out of your house so fast. It's not because there are 2 or 3 of them cleaning. It's because they have a system. They go around the room, starting at the door, going either to the left or right, depending on your dominant hand. And believe it or not, that does make a difference in how fast you can get through that room. If you're left-handed and you start at the left-hand side of the door and work your way from left to right, you actually get that room done faster than if you started on the right-hand side if you're left-handed. Isn't that an interesting tidbit? So I found that out from a left-handed co-worker at the maid service. So anyway, that's the fast, easy way to clean your house and get it done throughout the week so that you have time on the weekend when your spouse is has time with the family. You're not spending it cleaning and doing laundry and all that. You're actually able to sit down and spend time and enjoy your time with your kids, because they do grow up so fast. And nobody ever gets to be my age and wishes they had worked more or cleaned more. They always wish they'd spent more time with their family. So happy cleaning, and whatever you do, don't forget to laugh. Talk to you soon.